Hey guys, so in today's video we will start our first video of our Firebase Firestore. So in today's video we will learn how to get the data from the collection of the Cloud Firestore. So to create the collection, click on this Start Collection. First go to this Cloud Firestore and create Cloud Firestore, and then click this. Name your collection. I will name it Sweets. Enter auto ID, and then I will name as Marshmallow. Save. Okay, our document and our values and our collection has been created. So let's delete this stuff. We don't need this. Let's delete this, and let's create delete these buttons. Then create a button with ID as fetch. Then we will type here get sweets. Okay, and let's create an UL. Okay, let's save this. Then in this let's button let the but equals to document dot get element by ID. His ID is fetch. Okay, let UL equals to document. Oh, we haven't given an ID here, so let me do that. ID is equals to list, then document dot get element by ID whose ID is list, and then let's save this and run it. Okay, where is our button? Okay, bottom. Okay, there's a syntax error. Okay, this is the button. So to do that, you will need to add the script here, I mean the source. So delete this database and type Firestore. This will do that job. We are using Cloud Firestore instead of real-time database because I found it easy. It's easy, by the way. So then button dot on click, let's specify our database first. Constant db equals to firebase dot firestore. Okay, Firestore. Okay, then we have to use db dot button equals to, then button dot on click equals to an arrow method, and we will code in this. So db dot collection, we have to use which collection? Okay, and then write the name in it. So let me, my collection name is sweet, so type sweet, and then you have to get the data. So dot get method, it is the asynchronous request, so we can use dot then, and then we will use arrow method here. We will use snapshot and let's console.log snapshot and just reload this, and then where are we getting the error? On click cannot read the property of on click. Okay, I have reloaded the page, the error is gone. I don't know how, but it's gone. So let's click this button. Okay, we are getting an array, but we are not getting any values here in the docs. We are not getting any values. Let's console.log snapshot.docs, and then okay, we are not getting any values. That's because we haven't used dot data method here. So if you wanna extract the data, you have to use this method. So let's reload the page and then click this. Okay, is not a function. Why don't? Okay, let's use an for each loop. A for each. Okay, let's snapshot dot docs dot for each, and then let's doc, and then doc console.log doc.data. Let's load this. Okay, we are getting the name. Let's create a new document here. Okay, automatic ID. The name is ice cream. Okay, the new document is here. Let's reload the page and get switch. Okay, we are getting 2. So let's make a function here. Function name is set data, and then okay, and then in the set data we will get the doc, and then we will use ul. We will make li here, document dot create element whose name is li dot inner text is equals to, okay, we will use inner html here, is equals to, then the docs dot name, okay, doc dot name, and then ul dot append child li. Okay, let's save it. Let's hope that it should work. Okay, why is it not working? Okay, we have to pass the data from here. Let's delete this, and then okay, let's beautify this. Okay, then set data, and then doc dot data, and then reload the page. Okay, we are getting our output here. So that it is for today, guys. We have successfully fetched the data from the cloud Firestore. So bye bye.